It's time for one of my favorite activities of the entire year, and you are invited. Planner Camp is kicking off this June. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I'm so excited to tell you about Planner Camp that is coming up this June. I want you to imagine all of those nostalgic camp feels, think campfires and crafts and pen pals, but make it all planner themed. It's like it's speaking to my adult heart, and I'm so ridiculously excited. I wasn't sure if Planner Camp was actually going to be able to happen this year because I'm moving, but we've pulled it together and it is going to be the best one yet. Planner Camp is happening all month long inside my Patreon group. It's going to happen throughout the month of June, kicks off on June 1st, and every week is filled with themed planner activities. We have printables, we have exclusive videos, fun challenges, and even digital badges that you're going to earn as a camper, and I'm so pumped about how cute these badges came out. You'll be decorating your planner. You're going to be documenting summer memories. We're going to try new layouts. We're going to do all of this and connect with other fellow campers. It's such a fun time of creative renewal, of community, and I would love for all of you to join us over in Patreon. Each week of Planner Camp is centered around a badge, a special badge that you can earn, and I want to walk you through what the different badges are going to be. So week 1, you will have the opportunity to earn the Planner Prepper badge. This is all about setting up your monthly planner, setting some goals, creating a bucket list. Think intro pages and camp dividers and themed decorations. It is such a fun time of collecting all of the supplies that you love and focusing in on them with a fun camp twist. Then in week 2, we're going to try the Pen Pal Connector badge. It's an optional Happy Mail swap that's going to be so fun because we have patrons across the whole country and even across the world. It's a great chance to connect with others. Think low cost, lots of fun. Plus, we have a lot of printables coming that week, some exclusive videos. I'm excited about week 2. Week 3 is your Memory Keeper badge. There are so many ways to do memory keeping within the pages of your planner, and I have some exclusive videos and exclusive printables to help you out along the way. We even have a brand new video talking about digital scrapbooking and digital planning and how to mix the two of them together. Think creative documenting, photo pages, having fun with all of those beautiful supplies. And week 4 is probably my favorite time of any camp, and that is the week 4 badge is the Creative Crafter badge. And I want you to think of, it's time to get messy. It's time to play with some camp crafts. We're going to make some fun crafts that are all planner related. You're going to get to play with a lot of different supplies, try some new techniques. It's going to be a great time crafting together. Now, all of those planner badges are going to be available to the pink, yellow, green, blue, and purple tiers over on my Patreon group. If you are in the yellow tier, you have even more extra camp perks because there's exclusive videos that are being released each and every week that coordinate with our camp theme and that are going to walk you through these different badges. So week 1, it's all about camp setup, getting set up for the entire month of June, talking through printables, decorating ideas, tips and tricks for how to set up a camp planner section. I'm pretty excited. Week 1 is going to be awesome. Then we go into week 2 where we dive into all things Happy Mail and DIY. We're going to talk about how to create a perfect little Happy Mail pen pal inserts, how to create special notes, how to create some DIY pen pal goodies. It's a great week to kind of dig into that Happy Mail that brings us all such joy when we receive it. Week 3, we are going to get crafty with some memory keeping techniques, some new things that I've never shared on my channel before that I'm very excited about. And then week 4, it's all about creative playtime. We are going to get messy. We're going to pull out all of our crafty camping supplies and create some DIY planner accessories and fun inserts for our planners. These videos available at the yellow tier and higher are probably one of my favorite perks of Planner Camp. All of this extra content is perfect for the summer when maybe you have a little bit more time. Maybe you have some pool lounging days. Maybe you're taking a vacation and you can sit by the beach, watch a video, and be inspired. Now, we have our 4 main badges that we're all working on throughout the month, but there's also 5 bonus badges that can help inspire you and get you to try some new things in the month of June, all related to your planner, from color combos to layout switch ups. These badges are going to be fun to earn and be fun to share as a group. In addition to the monthly Create book that is released each and every month. This is the beautiful green one for the month of June. I love the Create book. You're going to love it too. In addition to the Create book for Planner Camp, we have an additional printable. This is your Planner Camp Handbook designed to go into your planner. It starts with a beautiful letter from me. We create some fun name tags with some fun themes. We have camp goals. We have bucket lists. We have all kinds of different activities throughout the month that you are going to love. There's project planners, there's a scavenger hunt, and a certificate of completion. You guys, it's going to be such a fun month. Year in and year out, my patrons say that Planner Camp is one of their favorite months of the entire year. And what I love most about it is the chance to connect with other people that love planning just as much as I do. And it also is a chance to reconnect to my planner and to attach my creativity to my planner. Yes, I want my planner to be functional and to help me out throughout the week, but also it's so fun to get creative in your planner, and it's so fun to relive those summer camp days. So if you've been curious about my Patreon, or you're just looking for a creative community this summer, Planner Camp is the perfect time to join in. All of the fun is going to kick off on June the 1st. So now is the perfect time to join in and get ready for a fun month of Planner Camp. All of this goodness is going to be available on the pink, yellow, green, blue, and purple tiers of Patreon. Each tier offers different perks. Starting at the pink tier, you're going to have access to the printables and to the badges. The yellow tier is going to give you access to those exclusive videos. Once you hit the green tier, you're going to get those beautiful Happy Mail stickers that I send out each and every month. Plus, the green tier has access to Zooms and live streams that happen throughout the month. Blue tier members receive a larger Happy Mail package from me, and then you get up to the purple tier where you receive custom planner spreads. Each and every tier has something special to offer, and we'd love to have you join us over on Patreon this June. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask me down below. Otherwise, you can head on over to patreon.com/ScrappyWife to find a tier that works well for you. All right, I will see you at the craft cabin, at the digital campfire, and all throughout the month of June over in Planner Camp. Grab your planner, pack up your supplies, and come join us over on Patreon. I hope that you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.